Okay, actually my timer is completed. That's why its video stopped. Okay, let me start with where we actually left. Okay, I already gave one kind of effects for this. When we are applying effect or animation, I want to say animation, you can see there is a one number are showing. Okay, so this is the way how we can show apply effects. Okay, let me apply for this image also one effect like that. Okay, you can see there is right now number two. After third image, I want to give to this kind of effect. You can see effects is apply. Okay, not appear. I want to do a something different effect like this. Okay, so this is effect I'm giving. Third effect. Let me go to the third slide. There is a one juju word. Let me apply for effect also. Okay, a zoom type of. Okay, so this is how we can say I'm applying a different effect. Guys, again I am saying designing chap are using for apply designing only for my slide. Okay, only for my slide. After that, a transition apply for when I am going to the presentation mode. One slide after one slide are we are presenting, right? That time we need a something animation, something a transition, so we can apply for a slide purpose only. Now, when I am going to the animation, you can see I'm going animation. Animation we are applying for only our object purpose. Inside of there is a object. You can see I'm checking a text, image, anything. I want a animation for that particular object, and when I want to give to the animation for object, always which tab we are using, animation tab only. After that, even in animation same as it is, I want to set a timing, I can set that. Okay, now let's go to the slideshow. When I am going to the slideshow, you can see from beginning, when I'm clicking on from beginning, it will be again slide are showing. See, it's automatically, even I'm not touching because I set a timing. See, and this is a demo. Okay, it is a demo. If we want to do a very perfectly, we need to spend a time over here. This is all about PowerPoint. Right now I can say we learn a 90% PowerPoint. Thank you so much.